Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
You going? What do you mean, dude? What do you want me to do? Roll backwards? Go back! I haven't got reverse! What, you expect me to backwards? You literally expecting me to roll backwards, look. Let's have a look at this guy. What are you doing? Why don't you just move backwards?
No, I'm not moving back.
What?
I'm not moving back. You're deaf. I'm not moving back.
Have you got issues or something?
Yeah.
What?
You get me? You.
What?
You.
Have you ever heard of the internet?
You got camera.
Yeah, it's in 4K as well.
Yeah, whatever, man. 400.
Yeah, I will.
You're not.
Where am I supposed to move to? Where am I supposed to move to?
I don't give a to move to.
Oh, that's my turn. Yeah. Yeah, I got that, mate. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to do that anyway.
I don't really care.
I'm going to do that anyway.
I don't care.
Okay?
I don't care.
Okay?
You can take it off. You can take it off. You can take the camera off.
Don't bring your hand. Give me, you rat.
What?
You rat.
What?
Get away from me, you. Ooh. Where am I supposed to move to, moron? You come down here. You're drooling all over the place. You're drooling. Dumb twat.
Hey. How about taking 5 seconds of your time? Let's give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Let's continue.
I actually have nothing better to do today, so. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Me. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro?
You come down there.
Coming in. You think you're big, man? Coming in. What do you think you're doing? Go, black man.
And the thing is, there's no other way of me doing it because he's actually on the furthest part of this road here, so everybody is undertaking him. And you can't say I'm undertaking you because you're on the right, completely on this side of the road here. There is no way to go around you.
Right. Okay.
I'd just like to say I apologise that we came together here. Okay.
Right.
It's not my intention to cause any aggravation between myself and cyclists.
At the end of the day, what actually happened? So I didn't see it.
Well, unfortunately, it doesn't seem to matter with cyclists though, because they seem to have a different rule to us other roads.